Hi, it's Rhonda with Miss Prim Cross Stitch, and today I wanted to talk to you about circular designs. Um, I was working on this little freebie. This is available as of March 2024. Um, it's available for you on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook at Miss Prim Cross Stitch, Instagram at Rhonda's Originals. Okay, and so I was looking at this, so I had it in the hoop. I just finished it, and I said, "Wow, that really looks cute. That would be an adorable little circular sachet." So it just so happened that it was perfectly centered in my hoop already. So I said, "Geez, I don't know if you've ever tried making a circular pillow from a regular design like this, but it is really a pain in the butt." Um, I usually end up trying to find the center point, and then I have to take my measuring device. Oh, okay, let's see, I want it an inch around, and then it's okay, measure 1 3/4 this way, and then and it's a mess. You always end up having one section of the circle that's a little lopsided. So here I have this perfectly centered design. What do? So I didn't want to take it out of the hoop. I went and got my water soluble. It's air and water soluble pen, and immediately just drew right around onto the fabric. Okay, so when I popped it out, it had my purple line on there. Let's do it right now. And immediately I put my basting thread on. Just perfect, isn't it? It's ready to go to the sewing machine. I'm just going to find my fabric for the backing. I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to mark off a little section that I'm going to do by hand after I stuff it with my, I'll probably put lavender buds in there. And then look at the perfect stitch line I have. Huh? Perfect. So anyway, I don't know. I've been stitching for how many years and never figured that out. So what you want to do is you want to go to take your piece. If you don't have a hoop that would work for the size you want, go to Michael's or any store that has a lot of hoops available, and then just start playing with them and find out the one that you think looks good. Do I want a big one? Do I want a small one? And when you find the one you like, buy it, bring it home, put the item in there, and then just draw your line, and then take it out and baste it, and you're done. Now let me show you a project that I have that did not pass the circular test. I had this irregular shape. It's a little bit off. You can see that this is not a perfect circle. All right, this kind of is, but then I added cookies down here, kind of messed it up. So, so what I did, I took this to Michael's when it was flat and unfinished, and I started playing with the different hoop sizes. And I found the right one, but it was still off. It just did not look right. And I said, no. So I just ended up, that's why this pillow is a square, because it just didn't look right as a circle. And I'm happy with it. I'm okay with this. But that's a little out of my bag of tricks of something you could do when you're trying to do a perfect circle pattern with an irregular shape image. Okay, give it a try. Okay, hope it helps. Take care. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.